tatlo. Mukhang gutom na sila. And we have also Cassandra Ray Caparas. Ayan. So, later na, sabay-sabay na lang ibigay. Alright, so we have here Carlens Abados. And we have also Sofia Cassandra Taguba. Yes, napakaganda. Girl, oh. And the next one, we have Cyrene Catherine Taguba. Yes, so yung gagawin na yung balloons. And we have also Chandy Domingo. And we have also Rain Andrea Duped. We have also Rian Amara Duped. We have Adrian Zeus Duped. Vince Hilliard Guboy. And we have also Aizel and Kabanting. The next thing here we have Yuan Brett Agustin. And the next thing here we have Akshiana Osera. And we have also Zoraya Arsauri Karcha. And we have also Timi Karcha. And we have also Azir Osera. We have also Ronald J. Guloy. And to complete our 18 balloons, we have Kyrie Esteban Indactivo. Yeah, so meron pa ba akong nakilintahan for our 18 balloons? Okay na. Ayan, so since etong mga kids na to, syempre marunong siguro itong mag-take